Welcome back, dear students of Class 8. Today, it is time for the lab session. Okay, and today we are going to do two activities in our lab session. One from Chapter 2, okay, Formulas and Functions in Excel, and one from Chapter 3, that is creating a simple chart. Okay, so let's start with these two activities. Okay, so first we are going to start with this activity of chapter 2. Okay, now students, this activity you can find on your page number 31, okay, of your textbook. Okay, so in this activity, first thing that we need to do is we need to create this table. So we need to open Microsoft Excel. You guys know how to open Microsoft Excel, and then you need to type the contents, type these contents inside the Excel spreadsheet, okay, as given in this figure. So you know how to type. I have already typed this sales information over here. Okay, and now we need to perform different calculations. So we need to save the worksheet using the save option. So this is the save option. Okay, we need to click on this, so the worksheet will be saved. Alternatively, you can use Ctrl plus S to save your worksheet. Okay, then the next step that is shown is that you have to now click on the B7 cell, B7, and you have to type this formula equal to B6 asterisk $B $17. So first let's check this formula equal to B6. So this is cell B6. Okay, so this one is our cell B6. This asterisk is a symbol for multiplication. It is a mathematical operator. And then $B $17 means over here they are using absolute referencing. They are fixing a cell B17. $B means they are let's come to this Excel file that I've created. Okay, so see, I have already inserted the formula over here. See, this is B6 equal to B6, okay, asterisk $B $17. That means B17. This is our B17 cell. $B means they have fixed the column B also and row 17 also. So they have fixed this cell over here. So with the help of this formula, they have taken out the sales revenue. Okay, so this is absolute referencing, and then they are telling us to press the enter key. So after doing this, they are asking us to press the enter key. So you need to do this, you need to perform this. Okay, so let's move on to the next part. What they are saying, click on the cell C7. So let's find cell C7. This is C7. Okay, and type the formula equal to C6 equal to C6 asterisk for $B $17. Again, this cell we have to do absolute referencing. $B $17. Okay, this cell. Okay, so sales revenue for quarter 2 has been calculated. This was for quarter 1. Okay, then they are asking us similarly calculate the sales revenue for quarter 3 and quarter 4. So I hope you can do that. Okay, to calculate the sales revenue for this quarter, again we have to input a formula equal to, okay, this time over here we were using C6, but this is D6. Yes, this is D6. So instead of this, we are going to equal to D6, okay, asterisk, okay, sorry, asterisk. Okay, now this cell. Okay, so $B $17. Okay, so when this value gets multiplied with this value, we get the sales revenue for that particular quarter. Okay, alternatively you can also just copy and paste, or just drag and drop this. So this will be for the quarter 4. So in this way you can calculate for quarter 4. Then what they are saying, so we have calculated for quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Now they are saying click on the cell B8. So let's find B8. Where is B? This is B and this is 8. Okay, so this is B8 and they are saying type the formula equal to B6 equal to B6, okay, asterisk $B $18. Now they are telling us to fix this one, okay, fix this cell, okay, this cell, okay. So asterisk $B $18, okay. So this cell has got fixed, okay. Now then copy this formula in C8, D8 and E8. So this is C8, D8, this is D8 and this is E8. So we need to copy this formula. We can alternatively, instead of copying, just drag and drop this, okay. So our total has been carried out, okay. This is C6, D6, E6 into this, okay. Then select the cell B9, okay. So now they are asking us to select this cell B9 and type the formula equal to B7 minus B8 equal to B7 minus B8, okay. So they are subtracting this from this, okay. So there's the subtraction, okay, and press enter. Copy the formula to the cell C9 to C9, D9 and E9. So we need to, either we can copy or we can just drag and drop. So let's see. So this is the C7 minus C8. This one is D7 minus D8. This one, this one is E7 minus E8, okay. So we have done the things correctly. You people do it on your end. Then we need to select the cell B13, okay. Select the cell B13. This is B13 and type equal to sum B10 to B12. So equal to sum B10, this is B10 colon B12, yes, bracket close. So this is the formula that we needed to enter, equal to sum B10 to B12, B10 to B12, okay. So we have entered that formula successfully. And similarly calculate the total expenses for quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. So we have to calculate this total expense for this quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. So let's do that. Instead of you can use equal to sum, okay. Now either you can choose this option C12, okay, or you can just drag and drop this, okay, or you can copy paste, whatever suits you, okay. So we have done this also, okay. Now to calculate the profit, click on the cell B15. So let's go to B15. This is B15, okay, to product profit, and type the formula equal to B9 minus B13. So here we have to type equal to B9 minus B13, okay. So this total expenses minus gross margin, okay. So we don't need to get into what this is meaning. We just need to do all these things that they are saying us to do, okay. So B9 minus B13. So this is B9 minus B13, okay, and enter. Similarly calculate for quarter 3 to quarter 2, 3 and 4. So we can just drag and drop this, okay. This is C9 minus C13, okay. This is D9 minus D13 and this is E9 minus E13, okay. So this is relative referencing, okay. So let's move ahead. What they are saying now, click on the cell F6 and type the formula equal to sum B6 to E6. So now we need to click on F6, okay, and equal to sum B6 to E6. So let's type equal to sum B6 colon E6. Okay, it doesn't matter if this is written in capital or small. Okay, so we have done that. Okay, equal to sum B6 to E6. See, it's the same formula, equal to sum B6 to E6. Okay, so now what they are saying, similarly calculate, enter, copy the formula to the rest of the cells from F7 to F15. So this is F7 to F15. Till here we have to copy this. So let's copy this formula. Okay. Okay. So this comes 0. We don't need that. Delete it. Okay. And save the file once again. Okay. And close the application. So again we have to save this file. Okay. Save this file. Okay. And then we have to close the application. Okay. So from here you can close this, and then you can click over here and you can exit. Okay, so this is your lab session for chapter 2. Okay, now let's start with the lab session for chapter 3. Okay, so you perform this lab session on your computers, okay, one by one. Okay, now let's do this lab session from chapter 3, which is on page number 43. Okay, so let's do that. Oh, sorry for this. Okay, now let's perform this particular lab activity. So first you have to open Microsoft Excel. Okay, open Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to open my Microsoft Excel, and I need to open the file that I had created for this lab session. So I'll just quickly open this file. Okay, so this was for your chapter 2. This is for your chapter 3 lab session. Okay, now type the contents in the Excel worksheet as given in the figure. So you need to type this contents in your worksheet Excel. I have already done this. See, I have already typed this. You need to type it on your own. Okay, so you need to type this and properly format it. So this is a very interesting one. This is the one which you will like very much. Okay, this is a score for some particular cricket match in which different batsmen, they scored different runs. Okay, now we have to make a chart based on this. So how to do that? Now first we have to type this. So first you guys need to type this. So it's already there on your book in page number 43, I guess. Let me check. Yeah, on page number 43. So you just go on your page number 43 and type this data out. Okay, after typing the data, what you need to do is that select the data to be plotted in a chart. So we need to create a chart of this particular data. So what we'll do, we'll select this entire this data. Okay, we'll select this particular data. Now we need to select data from here to here of runs of all the batsmen. Okay, because we need to create this chart. Okay, this chart. So I have selected from this A2 to B11. Okay, so I have selected this entire data. I have not selected this. Okay, now then what we need to do is that we need to click on the insert tab and click on the other charts. Okay, so click on this insert tab and then click on go to this charts group and click on this other charts. And in this other charts, we need to select the donut chart type. Okay, so in this other chart, we need to find the donut. See, this is the donut chart type. Okay, and click on this and see this chart has been inserted over here. Okay, now the data will appear in form of the selected chart type, that is the donut. See, this chart is in a form of donut. If you have eaten donut, this is what it looks like. Okay, now to specify the place of the legend, now see, the legend is over here. It is correctly shown over here, but suppose you want to change. Okay, so to specify the place of the legend, let's say right side, click on the layout tab and select the legend button from the labels group. So right now it is on the right side only, but suppose it was not on the right side, then what you had to do, that you had to click on the legend. Okay, click on the layout tab. Okay, this is the layout tab. Okay, then go to this labels group where legend is present and click on this show legend to the right. If you want to keep it to the left, show legend to the left. So see, the legend has come to the left side. Okay, so right now we want it on the right side as per this given output. So we have kept it on the right side. Okay, now so show legend on the right side and the legend has appeared on the right side. Now click on the chart title option in the labels group on the layout tab. So we need to go to the chart title again. Okay, and then click on the labels group on the a drop down list will appear and select centered overlay. So we will come over here, this is the drop down list, and we will click on this centered overlay and see this chart title option has come. Okay, now a chart title text box will appear inside the chart area. Click inside the text box. So I have clicked inside the text box. Okay, now type the title cricket score distribution. So what we need to give, we need to delete this and we need to type cricket score distribution. Okay, now just because this is not appearing properly, just make this bigger, make this chart bigger by just dragging it. Okay, now it's looking okay. Okay, you can decrease or increase the size of this. Okay, now it is looking okay. Okay, now after typing the title, click outside the text box and the title will appear in the center of the chart. The output will look similar to the shown here. So this is how the output is looking. Now you will say that, sir, the percentages are not showing over here. So what you need to do for that, for the percentages, okay, so for the percentage, you just click on this chart area. Okay, you click on the chart. Okay, and then again go to this layout, go to this design over here and come to this chart layouts. Okay, come to this chart layouts and select from these chart layouts whichever you want. Suppose I want this one. So now see, it is showing me the percentage also. Okay, this you have to select this one. Okay, layout number 6. Okay, so now it is showing me the percentage of different runs scored by different batsmen. Okay, so if I come over here, so I'll find that this blue color is representing 18% out of the total score that has been made by all the batsmen together. So who is this? This is a batsman. Okay, this is our batsman MS Dhoni, who has scored 18% of the total runs. Okay, then this batsman, who is this? For red, it is Virat Kohli, I guess. Okay, Virat Kohli has scored 17% of the total runs. And what is the value? 75. He has scored 75 runs. And so on. You can look at this chart, and this is a graphical representation of this data. So this is how you need to perform these two lab activities. Okay, so it will take hardly 10-15 minutes for you guys to perform both these lab activities. Okay, hardly it will take 20 or 25 minutes if you are fast enough. Okay, so I would like you guys to perform this activity on your computers. Now obviously there are some of the students who always say that, sir, I don't have computer. So if in case you don't have computer or you have any kind of hardware or software trouble, you just go through this video again and again, try to understand the concept and go through your book. You might be having book, so read this out. Okay, and watch the video and read this out. Okay, just because you don't have a computer, I can't do anything. The thing I can do is create videos for you so that you can watch those videos. Okay, so I hope if you're having a computer at your home, so you will perform this with full dedication. Okay, and if you have any doubts, you can comment on the video. Okay, give a comment to me on the video. Now I'll meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself and be well.